We are going to discuss most important topic, that is nothing but control statements. Control statements. Hmm, right. In every programming language, you will have this concept called control statements, which is to control the flow of the execution. Now, C#.NET, C#.NET will in C#.NET we have control statements, three types. Number one, conditional statements. Conditional statements. Number two, loops. Number three, jump statements. Jump statements. In C#.NET, we have three types of control statements. Yeah, number one is conditional statements. Number two is loops. Number three is jump statements. Right. So now coming to the conditional statements. Coming to the conditional statements. Yeah. Now tell me, Bhaskar, control statements are how many types? Control statements are how many types?
Three types, sir.
Number one,
conditional statements.
Number two,
Loops.
Number three,
jump statements.
Jump statements. Okay. Yeah. Next, coming to when we will go for, first of all, any idea how many types of conditional statements are there in totally conditional statements are how many types? Any idea?
Two, sir.
Right.
Yes, two. Number one, if condition.
If condition.
Before that, we'll discuss one more important. When we will go for conditional statements. When we will go for conditional statements. Next question is when we will go for conditional statements. Yeah. Answer is whenever. Any idea about this? When we will go for conditional statement? Because people will ask when we will go for loops, when we will go for conditional statements, when we will go for jump statements. So first we are discussing conditional statements. That's why better to discuss. When we will go for conditional statements.
Whenever we want to execute a single statement or the block of the statements, then we will go for the, based on the condition, then we will go for the conditions.
Right. Whenever we want to
execute single statement or block of statement based on the condition.
Okay.
Then we will go for the conditions.
Okay. Listen, very simple answer. Whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statements, whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statements based on condition, we will go for conditional statements. Again, I am repeating. Whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statements based on condition, whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statements based on condition, then we can go for conditional statements. Right. Then we can go for conditional statement. Whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statements based on condition, then we can go for conditional statements. And we can go for conditional statements. So either it can be single statement or block of statements want to execute based on condition. So block means what here? Block means single statements means statement 1. Block means
Yes.
Block means what? Group of statements. Block means what? Block of statements means what is that? Group of statements. Like statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3 is called a group of statements. So right. So that is the story about either single statement or block of statements. If you want to execute based on condition, we go for conditional statement. In general example, I'll tell you. I'm walking towards to my office. I'm walking towards to my office. This is my office. When I'm walking towards to my office, yeah, somebody are coming in front of me. Yeah, here. When I will say hi, when I will not say hi.
And they will respond to
Yes, if he is my friend, I will say hi. Otherwise, I will not say
hi.
hi. Here,
Hi.
hi is executing based on hi is
Con-
executing
Condition.
based on condition.
Condition.
Condition. What is
Based
the
on
condition?
condition.
If he is my friend, I'll say hi.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'll keep quiet. I'll not say anything. So hi is executing based on condition. Condition is
Condition.
Condition.
not is my friend or not. Is my friend or not. Like that. So conditional statements. We'll go for a conditional statement. Whenever you want to execute a statement, either single or block of statement based on condition, then we can go with conditional statements. And these conditional statements are two types. Again, two types. Conditional statements are two types. Number one, if condition.
Which condition?
Yeah, if condition. Number two, switch condition. Number one, conditional statements are two types. Number one, if condition. Number two, switch condition. Coming to the if condition. Coming to the if condition. Coming to the if condition, we can implement. If condition, we can implement how many ways?
Five ways.
Following ways. If condition, you can implement in following ways. Number one, simple if.
If
Number
else.
two, if else. Number
If else if.
if else if. Right. Number one,
Yesterday.
if. Number two, if else. Number three, if else if. Number four,
Yesterday.
multiple if conditions. Next to what is that? Nested if. Nested if. Right. So finally, we came to here up to here. First concept is control statements. Control statements is to control the flow of the execution. How it will be, you will understand. These are three types. Conditional. Second one is what? Loops. Third one is what? Jump statements. Jump. In this, when we will go for conditional statements, whenever we want to execute a single statement or block of statements based on condition, then we can go with what? Conditional statements. These conditional statements are two types. Number one, what is number one? If condition. Number two, switch condition. In if condition we can implement in following ways. Number one, simple if. Number two, if else. Number three, if else if. Number four, multiple if. Number five, nested if. Nested if. Okay. Now come on. Chari, come on, you tell me. Control statements are how many types?
Control statements are three types.
Number one,
Conditional statements, loops, jump statements.
yeah, number one, conditional statements. Number two, loops. Number three, jump statements. Okay. Now, conditional statements are again how many types? How many ways you can implement conditional statements?
Conditional statements are we can implement two ways.
Number one,
If condition, number two, switch condition.
number two, switch condition. Again, if condition we can implement. If condition we can implement in how many ways?
In five ways.
Number one,
Simple if else, if, multiple if, nested if.
nested if. Now coming to the simple if. Let's start with our concept simple if. Yeah, one thing I'm telling you, whatever programming language you are learning, whether .NET or Java or C or C++, in any programming language, control statements are very, very important concept. and very useful concept and some tricky concept. So where you go, C, C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET, almost all these syntaxes, almost all same. If you will understand this in one language, you can use in another language also, right? Coming to the simple if, syntax for what? Simple if, syntax for simple if, okay, right? If condition, if condition, yeah, it is syntax one, if condition, yes, okay, right? We'll write syntax only, not one, two, we'll see. Condition, statement one, statement, statement two. This is the syntax for if condition, simple if condition. Here, what can be the condition? What can be the vinyl? What can be the condition?
The condition may be less than or greater than or equal to
Mhm. Come on, condition.
whether true or false.
Mhm. So what can be the condition? Can I write like this in place of condition? Can I write if a equal to 10? Can I write a condition?
Yes. Sir,
A equal to 10. Here A is equal to is what? Assignment operator. Equal
assignment
to
operator.
assignment. Can
10 is a value.
Yes, sir.
I write a condition like this?
No, sir.
A equal to B, neither greater.
Savia, can I write a condition like this? Savia.
Yeah.
No, I think yes.
Can we write?
No, sir. It's double equal to.
No, sir. We need to give double equal to.
The question is, can I write
Will
like
be-
that or not?
Well,
Is it valid or not?
No,
No,
Okay.
not
You cannot
invalid.
write conditions
this
whatever you
value
want. No, you cannot write. What is this? What is a condition?
we cannot write.
What is a condition? You know, condition should return bool value. Condition should return what value?
Boolean value.
Boolean value. A equal to 10 will return anything? No. A equal to 10 means 10 will be assigned into a variable. It is an assignment operator here. Assignment operator here. Can I write? Can I write a plus plus?
No.
No. It is
No.
incrementing. A plus plus means a value will be incrementing by 1.
I
So that is the reason I have a question. What can be the condition? What can be the condition? So this is the basic here. Here this is the basic. Most of the people will complete .NET and Java course. They will apply the conditions. But first can be here in the syntax. Just now you said condition here. What can be that? Here if is a keyword, this is the block. Here you will write whatever logic you want. But what can be this part? Condition can be what? Anything can I write?
Which should return a Boolean value. That should be a condition.
Excellent.
It
Excellent. From the excellent.
should have either true value or false value.
Return
It is
true
not
or false. Condition should return true
Yeah.
or false.
true or
So
false.
true or false. So when it will return true or false?
True or false.
Whenever you will use comparative operators. What are the comparative operators? Greater than, less than,
Less
less than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. And what is that not equal? Whenever you will use, what are these operators? Name is what? Can you tell me? There is a name for these operators.
Relational operators.
Okay.
Relational operators or comparative operators. You can give the both name, relational or comparative operators. Whenever you will frame a expression with these operators, it will return true or false value. What is a expression? Operand operand 1 and operator and operand 2. Operand 1, operator and operand 2 is a expression here, but the operator should be relational operator, or you can say comparative operator. Here greater than is a operator. Operand 1, operand 2. For example, 10 greater than 5. Here what is 10? What is 5?
10 is operand 1.
Operand 1 is 10,
5
sir. Operand
is
2.
operand 2.
Operand 2 is
10 is
2
operand
is
1 and 5 is operand 2. Operand 2. Okay.
Greater
10
than.
is operand 1 and 5 is operand 2. And greater than is what?
operator,
Which
relational
operator?
operator.
Relational operator. What is the meaning of greater than? Means whether operand 1 is greater than operand 2. So if it is greater than, it will return true. Otherwise it will return false. 10 greater than 5 will return what?
True.
True. Yes.
True.
Next, 5 less than 2. Come on, tell me.
False.
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 False. Finally, it is returning what? Returning what? Either true value or false value. That you need.
False.
10
False
greater
value.
than or equal to 5. 10 greater than or equal to 5. When it will return true here? When it will return true here?
The condition. The
When
condition
it will
not
return true here? When it will return true
when
here?
the condition
Equal to or when it is greater
Operand
than.
1 is either
Operand 1 is
than
higher or
or
equal to
equal to 5.
operand
By both places it will return what? True. 10 greater
true.
than or equal to 5. Tell me. 10 greater than or equal to
True.
5. Tell me. True.
True, sir.
Because it's greater than. Okay, now 10 greater than or equal to 10. True or false?
True.
True.
True, sir. True.
10 greater than or equal to 20.
False.
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 This is important.
False.
Now 10 less than or equal to 20. 10
True.
less,
True.
10 less than or equal to 20.
True.
True. Less than
True,
or
sir.
equal or less than.
Yes. Less than.
Less than. Less than.
10 less than or equal to 10.
True.
True.
True, sir.
10 less than or equal to 5.
False.
False.
Because 10 is
False.
not less than.
False.
Right. Okay, na? Next. 10 equal to. This is equal to. Double equal to means comparing. Right. 10 equal to 10.
True. True.
True. 10 equal to 5. 10 equal to 5.
False.
False.
False. False.
10 not equal to 10.
False. False. False.
Not equal to 10.
False.
False. 10 not equal to 5.
True.
Like this.
True.
I hope you understood about this simple mathematics. Right, Kumar Garu, are you following somewhat?
Yes, I am here.
No, you can understand from today class. I'm sure about that. There is nothing much logic.
Yeah.
It's simple mathematics and simple formula. You are going towards to your office. Somebody are in front of you. If he is your friend, you will say hi. Otherwise, you will go simply without talking anything. So hi is executing based on a condition. He is your friend or not. To frame that condition, we are using the operators. Okay, guys, all of you ready now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here I have a question. Why a plus plus is not a condition?
Because that is the increment operator.
Because it will not return any
Showing
full value.
Any value.
It will not return. Ultimate aim is what? Condition should return either yes or no. Yes means true, no means
true or false.
We
okay.
are testing that.
False.
Right. Next, one more simple scenario I am going to give you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bool B equal to true. Bool B equal to true. Sorry, true. Bool B equal to true. Leave all these things now. Next model. Bool B equal to true. Bool of B. Can I?
No, sir. It is declared already true, like true, no, sir.
Right. That's why I'm telling you. Bool B equal to true. If of B, can I frame the condition like this?
No.
No.
You tell what you feel. Don't try to convince
No.
anybody. Convincing is always danger. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you try, but 10 times you try to fail, 11th time you will get pass. But you are experienced than the person who passed in the first time. Right. If of B, can I frame a condition like this? Yes, you can frame.
Yes.
You can frame. You can frame because ultimate if block, if required, what you know, that condition should get a bool type value. Bool type value. In this model also, you can frame the condition. Okay. Next, bool bool k equal to false. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
What will happen?
Yes.
Yes. Next I'll write you. Condition. Condition. Let me explain this syntax first of all. First to control will check the condition. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, if condition is true, then it will say, okay, carry on. It will enter into the block, will execute statement 1 and statement 2, encounter the closing brace, means this block execution is completed and it will execute the following statements. Means the statement 1 and 2 will execute whenever only the condition is true. Suppose condition is false, then statement 1 and statement 2, that means block will be skipping and it will execute the following statements. It will execute the following statements. Okay, that's it. So statement 1 and 2 will execute only when the condition is true. If it is not true, it will not execute. That's it. Okay. Similarly, right. I'm going to give you some questions to you. Are you ready now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
If of B, come on. Statement 1 and 2 will execute or will not execute?
Execute, sir.
Execute.
1 and 2 execute. Why? Because B is nothing but what? True. True means
True.
if of
False.
means control will enter into block, will execute 1, will execute 2, and if block execution is completed. Okay, right. Next. If of K, come on.
Yes.
If of K.
Not
Yes.
execute, sir.
Is what false? Statement 1 and 2 will execute or will not execute?
Will
Not execute, sir.
Not
Not
execute.
execute. If block will be if of false. So it will do what you know, it will skip a block. A block will be skipping. Block will be skipping, will never execute. Similarly, I am having some questions. You listen. 10 greater than 5. Sorry, here I can write directly. 10 greater than 5. Come on. Statement 1 and 2 will execute or will not execute?
Execute, sir.
Will execute. Why?
Oh, sir.
10 greater than 5 is what? True. True means statement 1 and 2.
True.
Okay. 10 less than 5. Statement 1 and 2 will execute or will not execute?
False.
Not execute.
execute.
Because it is returning what? False. 10.
False.
False value.
10 equal to 10 will execute or will not execute?
Execute, sir.
Execute.
Execute, sir.
Good.
Execute.
10 not equal to 10 will execute or will skip?
Skip.
Not execute. Skip. It will skip.
10 not equal to 10 is false. It will skip. Okay.
False.
So next,
Skip.
10 greater than or equal to 10 greater than or equal to
Execute.
5.
Execute.
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 False.
10 greater than or
No,
equal to
execute, sir.
execute.
Execute.
10 greater than or equal to
Execute.
20.
False.
Not
It will not.
Not execute.
Not executed.
So 10 less than or equal to 10.
Execute, sir.
Executable.
10 less than or equal to 5.
Not
Not
execute.
execute.
Not execute. 10 less than or equal to 20.
Execute.
Not execute. Execute.
Less than or equal to 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. Will
Will
execute.
execute.
Will execute.
Execute.
So that is the story. Next, come back to code window. Let's come back to code window. We'll write the code. You see, you tell me. Into A equal to 10. Into B equal to 5. If A greater than
B.
B, don't, when I will ask, then only you respond. Up to that, just observe. Get ready with your answer. Console dot write line. Console dot write line. Yeah. Uma, what is the output for this?
So the output will be, it will print high, sir.
high. So
And
how the code will execute? Let me explain. First A equal to 10, B equal to 5.
A, yeah,
equal
A
to 10,
is greater than
greater
B.
than 5. True or false?
True, sir.
True. Then control will enter into a block. Will execute high. High will execute. High will be executing. Now when you get high, what happened? High will execute, and after that it will execute what? After the block execution also, following statement also will execute. What is the following statement? Read.
Read line. Read line.
Doing what? Holding the command prompt window. Okay, na? Right. Next I have a question. Right. Yeah. Now, Renuka, what is output? Renuka, are you there?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me the output.
Hi and hello.
Hi and hello. Actually,
Yes, sir.
it is a block statement, and it is called what statement?
Non-if means main block, sir.
No, main block, and you can say it is a following statement. You can
Yes,
say
sir.
what statement? Following statement.
Following statements.
Following statement.
Statement.
Okay. Right. So, okay guys, following statement. Next, right. How it will execute? Come on, let me trace here. Yes. Let's say first A equal to 10, B equal to 5, 10 greater than 5. True or false? True. True. When
True.
true, control will enter into the if block. Console.write line of I.
Hi.
If block execution completed. Next console.write line of hello. Next what will
Hello.
hello will execute. After hello it will execute what? Console.read line.
Read line.
Console.read line. That is the story about this one. Okay. Next next I have a question. A is 2, B is 5, D is 5. Okay, Teja, are you there? Teja, are you there? Yeah, A is 2, B is 5. Tell me the output.
It is false.
No, output. I want output. Print out. What is the output?
It returns only hello.
It will print only hello. Yes.
Hello.
Why? Hello, sure. Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
So why it will print hello? Let me trace all of you guys. Try to understand. Yes. Okay, guys. Right. Yeah. A equal to 2, B equal to 5, 2 greater than 2 greater than 5, 2 greater than 5, and 2 greater than 5, true or false?
False.
What is that? False. So whenever the
False.
condition is false, control will be skipping the which block?
If block.
Main.
If block. And the next control will execute following statement. Following is what? Console.write line hello. Console.write line hello. If block will be skipping. So that is the story. Okay. Right. Next. Right. Okay, guys. That is the story. Next. Yeah. I have a question here. In if conditions, blocks are compulsory or optional?
Compulsory.
Optional.
Block means
Its
opening
own
brace
statement.
to closing brace is compulsory or optional?
Optional, sir.
Compulsory.
Optional.
Compulsory.
Compulsory, sir.
If the
Right.
single if there
If
any
we write multiple statements, then block is
Yeah.
No,
compulsory.
sir. From
Also,
there,
Then
the
for
block
single
starting and ending.
statement,
the single
Right.
state it's optional.
Wait. When we will go for block, when
when we want that condition to be
when we
executed.
otherwise otherwise you can write like this. The question is when block is compulsory, when block is optional, when block is optional. In case of this concept, if condition, simple if condition, when block is compulsory, when block is optional is very important point discussion right now. Okay, so right, you observe. Yes, anybody can answer for this question. When block is compulsory?
When there is one multiple statements under if statement,
And the condition, block is
then we
compulsory.
have to put
No,
block.
one person. Let me give chance.
Requirement.
Uma, Umana, no,
Yes, sir.
no, Harsha.
Whenever we
Harsha,
want,
1 minute. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
When block is compulsory?
When there are more than one statement under the if condition, then we'll go for block, sir.
Compulsory. When block is optional?
When there is just one single line that has to be executed after the if statement, then we don't need block, sir.
Very good. Shiva, tell me when block is compulsory?
If we want to execute more than one statement, then we can go for block.
Yeah.
And block is compulsory.
Yeah.
Whenever we want to execute single statement, then we can go for block is optional.
Right. Listen, all of you. Whenever you want to execute more than one statement based on condition, when you want to execute more than one statement based on condition, then block is compulsory. Whenever conditional depending statements are only one, then block is optional. For example, you observe, guys.
sir, can you repeat the second one, sir?
Yeah.
Optional.
Whenever conditional depending statements means within the block, within conditional depending statements are only one. That is, block is optional. If you will write, if you will not write, no problem. Let me explain with example, then you will understand. Here, conditional depending statements are how many?
One.
5, sir.
Only one. Here, conditional depending statement is high. So it is 1. So here block you write, you don't write, we don't have any problem. If you will remove block also, you will get the same outputs. Conditional depending statement is only high. See, high you want to execute if it is true, don't execute if it is false. So conditional depending statement is console.writeLine of high. So here conditional depending statement is only one. That's why here block is, in this regard, block is optional. Now, I was omitted the block, you observe. Or omitted the block, you observe. Yeah, you are getting output like this, you observe. Now, 2, 5, 2 greater than 5. True or false?
False.
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 Then it will skip this statement and it will display hello. It will display hello. So, now conditional depending statements are only one. That's the reason. Suppose, let's say, A is 10. 10 greater than 5. True or false? True.
True.
Then high will execute. Then which will execute? Hello will execute. Hello is the following statement. Hello is the following statement. Suppose here conditional depending statements are only one. That's why block is optional. Suppose conditional depending statements are, you have console dot two statements. Console dot write line conditional depending statements are 2. In this regard, block is
Compulsory.
block is compulsory here. So here your requirement is, if it is true, I want to execute high and how are you. If it is false, don't execute high and how are you. High and how are you is not one statement. 2 statements are depending condition. Then block is compulsory. You see compilation and execution. Now you see your condition is true. Your condition is true. You observe. Whenever it is true, A 10 greater than 5. 10 greater than 5. True or false? True.
True.
It is true. It will enter into the block. First high, then how are you will print. Right line will print. Right line is similar like printf. Right line, first right line will print hi, printing hi, and moving the cursor to next line. Next second right line will print how are you, it will print how are you, and moving the cursor to next line. If block execution completed, next following statement will execute. What is the following statement? Hello. Hello will also.
Hello.
Suppose let's say 2. The value is 2. Now 2 greater than 5. 2 greater than 5. True or false?
False.
2 greater
False.
than false. Whenever condition is false, if block will be
Skip. Skip.
skip. Whenever if block
Skip.
it will execute the following statement called what? Hello. Hello. That's it. That is the story about. With this we can say if condition syntaxes are 2 types. Syntax 1, like this you can write the syntax. If condition statement 1, this is the syntax 1. Syntax 2, is if condition, yeah, again
Block of
statement
statements.
1, statement 2, and statement 3, multiple statements, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, multiple statements. Okay, right. This is syntax 2. Okay, these are the 2 syntaxes you can use. Right. So that is a story about your if block. And now I am giving one requirement to you all people. You observe. Right. You observe. Task for you. Write a console program to accept two numbers. Store into two variables. And perform division, then display the division result. Display the division result. Right. Display the division result. Okay. Right. So what is the finally expecting is, what is the exact program is, already you know about this. I am not asking you to apply conditional statements. First write a normal program. Don't think about conditional statements in the beginning. Just a normal program. First try normal program, then we will think where you need conditional statements here. Here the expectable output is enter first number called 10. Store 10 into A. A data type is integer. Enter second number. That is 5. 5 you store into a variable called B, and B data type is integer. Right. Okay. Now perform division. The division is into C equal to A by B. C is a variable equal to A by B. 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means what? How much? 2. 2 will be stored into C. Then display. Division result is 2. Division result is to move the cursor to the next line. Division result is to move the cursor to the next line. For this, you have to write the program. Come on, guys. Don't think about conditional statements. Just without thinking about that, write a normal program first. All of you. Can you write about this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Whenever I am giving any requirement like this, use pen and paper and immediately take the requirement and then you construct the program. When you are completed the program,
Sir, I completed.
Sir.
Done, sir.
right.
Done, sir. It's Poonam.
Okay, fine. Yeah, let's see the program. Simple program. Already you have written this type of programs. But yeah, to make you to enter into the concept, you need this program. Console dot, what is that, right line? Tell me, Sevanthi, tell me the code.
Console dot right line, enter first number.
Enter first number. Right, next.
If result is 2.
Into A equal to?
Int A equal to int dot pass. Console dot read line.
Console dot read line. Okay, next.
Console dot right line, enter second number.
Enter second number. Right.
Int B equal to int dot pass.
Int B equal to int dot pass of console dot read line. Console dot. Right. Next. Come on.
Console dot right line, division result means.
Into C equal to A by B. So to write the logic now, into C equal to A by B. Next what? Console dot right line. Division result. Division result is what? C. Division result is C. Right. Division result is what? C. Sorry. Division result is C. Okay. Right. Now, and next what? Console dot relay. This is a normal program. Did we apply anywhere control statements?
No, sir.
No. We didn't apply any control statement. Let's see when you need control statements in this program. Why you need control statements in this program? What is the importance of control statements in this program? Whenever you run this application, yes, program execution starts by main method. Okay. Program execution starts by main method. Let me type. Okay. Yes. Whenever you run this application, first program execution starts by main method. Right line will print enter first number, and after that it is moved the cursor to next line, second line. Then in this LHS will execute or RHS will execute? First start.
RHS.
In RHS is nothing but right hand side. Parse method will execute. As parts of parse method, first this parse method signature parenthesis part will execute. In this read line method will execute. Read line duty is holding the command prompt window which will accept input from the user. User entered 10, entered by the user, accepted by the read line. Once you pressed enter, read line will return the 10 as what? String value, because the method return type is string. Finally, you can say this place will be replaced with a value called, this read line method place will be replaced with a value called, can you tell me? With a value called, what is that value?
Double quotes 10.
Yes.
10, sir.
Remembered or not? But Here, this is the place is replaced with a value called double quotes 10. Actually, you entered 10 only. You means end user. But readline method has taken 10 and once you press enter, it will return as double quotes 10 because this method return type as given by the Microsoft as string. Next, parse method will convert from string to into. Into means no double quotes. Only finally, the value will be like this. Finally, RHS contain a 10. The 10 type is integer. Next, LHS will create a variable. The name of the variable is A. A type is integer. RHS contain a value. That value type is integer. LHS contain a variable. Variable type is integer. Then control will execute assignment operator. Duty of the assignment operator will be assigning the RHS value into LHS. Finally, A variable contain a value called 10. This is the flow of execution. Next, after this, control will execute the next line. The next line is console.writeLine, enter second number. Enter second number. The second number is it's printing second number and moving the cursor to next line. Again, control will execute this statement. Same story. Parse method, again signature called readline method will execute. The readline method is waiting for the input. User entered 5. 5 is entered by the user, accepted by the readline. Once you press enter, readline will return 5 as double quotes 5. That is nothing but string. Then parse method will convert that string 5 into integer. Right side RHS will contain a 5 integer. LHS will create a variable. Again, assignment operator will assign the RHS value into B. Then after this, control will execute 10 by 5, nothing but 2. 2 will be stored into C. Console.writeLine, division result is C. Nothing but division result is C, nothing but 2 and console.writeLine holding the command prompt window. Once you press enter, readline will be leaving the command prompt window, this readline. This is the program. Is there any problem in this program? Yes. You have a problem in this program. If user entered 10, first number, second number 0. If user entered first number 10, second number 0, then what will happen? Control is executing 10 by 0. 10 by 0 means according to the mathematics 10 by 0. A value you are trying to divide by 0. Then what will happen? According to mathematics, it will throw what? It's not possible.
Exception.
Throw error. That error is nothing but exception. So you are not handling the exception. That's why you throw what? Error and program execution terminated abnormally. Program execution is terminating what is that? Abnormally. Abnormal termination. Abnormal. So it's giving an error called divide by 0 exception was unhandled. So actually to overcome this, whenever we have errors like this, whenever we have runtime errors, we can handle these errors. We can handle these runtime errors in two ways. Number one is by logic. For that, we need to use control statements. Number two is by exception handling mechanism. Exception handling mechanism, it is predefined mechanism. You don't require to write much logic. Already mechanism is inbuilt mechanism, you can use it. So that means whenever you have this type of runtime errors, when you are expecting, you can handle in two ways. Number one is logic. Number two is exception handling. Logic means you need to use a concept called control statements, and exception handling mechanism means the predefined mechanism. For that you need to use a try block, catch block, and finally blocks. This topic will come in future, and this topic right now we are trying. Finally, what we want to do, we want to handle this divide by 0 error with the help of control statements. In that control statement right now we have understanding, or we are working with conditional statements. In these conditional statements, we are working with simple if. So what I am planning, I want to handle this divide by zero error with the help of simple if. Simple if, that is our next target. What is the task? Yes, handling divide by zero by using simple if. By using simple if. Handling divide by zero by using simple if. With the help of simple if, you can handle the divide by zero error. So what is that? What you are expecting? What you are expecting? Very simple. Yes, I'm just giving a task. This you try and come to the tomorrow class. Try and come to the tomorrow class. Handling the same divide by zero error with the help of simple if. How? Enter enter first number. Enter first number. Let's say 10. Store into A. Enter second number. Enter second number. Suppose user entered 0. Suppose user entered 0. If user entered 0, store into B. And if B is 0, then display one message. I said if B is 0, condition, if B is 0, display message. Please enter second number other than 0. Other than 0. Immediately by seeing this message, user will enter a value called 5. 5 again reassign. 5 you try to assign here. Already 0 is there, this time 5. Now perform division into C equal to 10 by 5 means A by B. Q. And slowly C, 2 will be stored into C. Next to, yes, division result is Q. This is expecting. Means this is the statement whenever you want to implement conditional statements. You need to recognize the statements which are depending on the condition. In this requirement, conditional depending statements are how many?
1.
2. What are they? Please enter second number and accepting the second number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. And so whenever conditional depending statements are more than one, you should use blocks. Then what is the condition?
If it is true, please.
If
If
B
B
equal
equal if B is equals to 0.
B equal to 0.
Second
Now
number.
you write these statements. That's it.
And
Okay.
send the
Try this. Can you try this by tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much and complete this by tomorrow. And whatever works I have given, did you complete last homeworks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But